These Spanish protesters say they've had enough of tourists. Last year, almost 14 million holidaymakers visited the Canaries. That's about 6 times the population of the islands. And now thousands of protesters have gathered across the islands, saying they are fed up of the overcrowding, constant construction and environmental damage.
No son solo los proyectos de turismo, son las colas, son el trabajo precario, es el paro, es el hartazgo de la gente.
Protesters want a freeze on tourist numbers, a halt to some construction projects, and help for locals to get on what they say is an overpriced housing market. The regional president of the island says his government is already taking action to change the tourism model.